Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to sync your Google Authenticator for time correct code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to time correct your codes into Google Authenticator, you just simply have to open your Authenticator application. Then after opening the application, you will get to see these three bars into top left corner. Just simply tap into that three bars and then you will get to see this settings option into here. Just simply tap into settings option and then you will directly get the option of time correction for codes. Just simply tap into time correction for codes and tap to sync now option. Then after that, your codes will successfully be time corrected or synced with the Google Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.